Hello traders. Today is the 31st of January 2012, and happy trading to you all. New York is now closed. London also is closed. The time in London is 19 minutes past 11. Okay, we are recording this video today on the 31st of January 2012, but we will post the video on our channel YouTube on Friday. So there is we will post this video on YouTube on Friday. What's the date for Friday? Let me double check that. We will post the video on Friday, the 3rd of February 2012. Now, the title of this video is a trading system and a signal. A trading system and a signal. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening to you all. And for those of you who are new to us, we are the TSTW 24 traders. And our website is www.stochastic-macd.com. For all trade, we will use the 5% money management rules and apply the stop loss in all trade. It's very, very important. This video is for educational purposes only. It's neither a solicitation or an offer to buy or sell any financial instrument. And it is primarily for the TSTW 24 traders. The title of this video is a trading system and a signal. Before I continue with this video that we are working on now, the subject, before we continue with the subject of a trading system and the signal, I will quickly go through the Euro USD currency pair. Very important issue for the forex traders, because last time I was talking about the S&P 500, and I want to use around 5 minutes of my time now to quickly talk about the Euro USD before we continue the video about the a trading system and a signal. So bear with us as we are going through this very fast with the Euro USD. Now, what's happening, ladies and gentlemen? What I have told traders that the level of 12000 is a very important price level, talking about the Euro USD currency pair. It's a very important a support level. We know that the Eurozone is in a big mess. I want to give you one idea, simple. Suppose your house is on fire, so the house is burning, and some part of the house has already burned, and you start calling the firemen. So in London we dial 999. You say, firemen, I need assistance. So the firemen on their way come to your flat and or to your house, and this put the fire out. So you will say that the problem is fixed. But the problem is not 100% fixed. What you have done, you have put off the fire. That's true. So there is no more fire burning, but you still need to rebuild your house or to call your insurance also to get your goods back, because some of them have been damaged. So very often when traders are trading, they forget this simple common sense. The problem of the euro is in a problem. There are some solutions being put forward. This solution will not solve the problem in one day. So talking about the firemen and the house, remember that though there are some solution being put forward, the house is not yet in order. So in our view, the fair value for the Euro USD is 12000. Very important price level. So though if you are day trading or you are swing trading and you receive a signal to buy, you can perfectly take it. But in your mind, you know that the house still need more work. So I think that will get you to understand exactly why I keep on talking about the level of 12000 for the Euro USD, because it's a very important price level. On a monthly chart for the Euro USD, And there are a lot of ideas being put forward talking about the fiscal compact for all the 17 members of the Euro zone, very important, okay? So there are some solutions being put forward, but the house is not yet in order, okay? There are more to be done. As I explained to you, the critical issue for the Euro is German, okay, social mood, the sentiment in Germany. You have to watch it carefully, the sentiment in Germany. If the sentiment in Germany, okay, is bullish, okay, things will keep moving forward. But if the sentiment in Germany starts changing, you need to pay attention carefully. I believe that the Euro will remain in place, but there are more work to be done to put the foundation, a strong foundation, okay, for this beautiful currency pair. What's happening now, ladies and gentlemen? On the monthly chart, this is the monthly chart for the Euro USD currency pair. The level I'm talking about is right below here, and I will draw, okay, my horizontal line there for you, okay, right here, the level of 1200. Now, I'm not saying that the price will definitely, by all means, okay, come to this level, but this is a very important support level. The price has touched this level. This is a hot spot reason because on this monthly chart the price went down and changing direction here. It's a hot spot zone. Not only that, it's what we like to call a virgin hot spot zone. Since that time, the price did not return to that level anymore. Okay, it turned around here. If this was a hot spot zone, the price revisited this level when it came to this zone here. Price came back again, that's where we touch it now, and the price quickly returned back up. But this level of 1200, the price since then, okay, since 2009, the price did not revisit that level. It is still a virgin, so to speak. Okay, I'm not talking about virgin media, I'm talking about a virgin, a hot, a spot, a trading zone. So we need to be careful because the price tend to revisit those virgin hot spot trading zone at one point in the future. Okay, they behave like a magnet in the market, and at one point will attract the price to that level. That's why do not forget the level of 1200. Very important. What has happened? I will show you on the weekly chart what the euro has done. A lot of traders are very, very bullish, talking about the euro USD, but we are cautiously bullish following the euro when we are buying, because in fact we prefer the euro to go to the level of 1200. That remains to be seen, because a lot of politics are involved in the eurozone. As the politicians are talking, the market will react in a certain way, moving the price up, moving the price down, depending on what's going on. But the root of the matter is that the house is not perfectly in order. We cannot deny that. Talking fundamentally or technically, the house is not yet in order. On the weekly chart, what has happened, ladies and gentlemen, as I explained to you, as posted okay, on Twitter recently for some traders, I explained to you that the euro went below this level of 132, okay, around the zone of 13200. It dipped below it. You see, can you see here? Can you see? Okay, it dipped below, okay, at this level here. It dipped below this green line here, the zone of 13200, this green line here. Watch it. Remember this green line, okay? It dipped below it on the weekly chart. What the price tend to do when the price dip below a very important support level, the price will try to retest it. That's why we have this rally to the upside. Look where the price did stop, exactly on the dot on that key level. This week start getting a bit bearish now. We have to watch it carefully because we break below a support level and retested it. The bullish momentum from last week was the fact that the market want to retest that support level to verify that that level, is it truly now a resistance level, or will the price go back above it? Very important for the market because it's a very important price level, the level of the zone of 13200. The price break below it. We want to retest it. It's very important. Retesting. That's what the market is doing. So you can expect the price to try to retest it, and it did retest it. And we knew that it will find, the trader will come out, the smart trader will come out, and it did come out, and the price started coming down. Going to the daily chart, ladies and gentlemen, drawing your line, the trend line. One of the mistakes that a lot of traders are making, looking at an indicator or chasing the indicator, they do not draw their trend line. I've done it myself, and I know when a trader is struggling, I ask the trader, are you drawing your trend line? This is one of the biggest mistakes. On a daily chart is what we see, a beautiful channel, ladies and gentlemen. I thought to you now, I say to you that we will cover the euro very fast. Okay, I spent now nearly 9 minutes talking about the euro, but we will talk about the trading. Okay, a trading system and the six signals. I promise you, we are out of this bearish channel on the daily chart, but we went to a resistance level. So the price will try to retest. Okay, again this bearish channel. We will see whether the price will find a support at the edge of this channel here, or the price, okay, will fail and go back below the bearish or return back inside the bearish channel. Just paying attention to the price itself, the number one indicators, without cutting corners. Okay, so we have retested it now. There's another level. There's a high probability that the euro may try to retest this declining channel. It does not mean that the price will definitely do that, but there is a high chance that the price may do that. If we see the price doing that, we will take advantage of it. The trend line on this daily chart, draw your line. As you can see, we are still it didn't break below it yet. Okay, so but we know that this green line here is a resistance zone on the weekly chart. We break below it, we retest it. Watch it carefully. Going to the 30-minute chart, for instance, for those of you who are watching, what do we see? We see a lot of a top, a higher top, and a lower top is bearish. Okay, on this 30-minute chart, we must use our tool carefully and understand clearly the language of the price. This is about the euro USD. The title of this video is a trading system. Okay, and a sixth signal. We are talking about the TSTW, okay, a 24 trading system. Ladies and gentlemen, a very simple trading system, but a powerful trading system. It took me a long time to build that trading system. There are 3 bullish signals, okay, and 3 bearish signals. The bullish signals are single green, double green, and triple green. Very simple. For a bearish signal, we have a single red, double red, and a triple red. Very simple signal. The point I want to make for a trading system, which is the TSTW24 and the sixth signal, which I've already told you now, okay, you must understand the signal. Okay, you want to understand the signal. Okay, you want to understand the signal and pay attention to the price. Whenever I talk about pay attention to the price, okay, ladies and gentlemen, I'm talking about drawing your trend line and using the definition of the uptrend, okay, and the downtrend. In the uptrend, the price must display higher lows and higher highs until the price fails, okay, to display a new higher high. When we see the price displaying higher low and higher high, we want to give priority to bullish signal. But on the other hand, when we see the price is failing to display a new higher high, we will say, aha, we acknowledge that, okay, and we will draw our line and keep our eyes on the ball. On the other hand, if the price displays lower lows and lower high, lower lows, lower high, this is just the language of the price telling us that I'm going down. As soon as we see the price failing to display a new lower low, a question mark is put on that bearish pressure. Okay? Very important. Now, if you are using a trading system, the TSTW24 is not a trading robot. It is not a software, and it cannot be applied on every trading platform. Okay, because they ask me a lot of questions. You can use it on every time. It's a trading method. Okay, it's a trading method that you will learn, okay, and put into practice. A trading system will not trade for you, as a lot of TSTW24 have done over the year. They go to their website www.best-tradingstrategy.com. They will watch the videos. Those videos will explain to you the signal and how you can trade them. I posted some live, trading session there where you can see clearly how you can put into practice the trading system. But one of the mistakes that a lot of traders are making is that they are not drawing the trend line. Very important. Whether you're on the 3-minute chart, you're on the 2-minute chart, you're on the 5-minute chart, you're on the 50-minute chart, you're on daily chart, you're on weekly chart, you must draw your trend line. Okay? Very, very important. Draw your trend lines, draw your support, draw your channels. Very, very important. Talking about taking the signal, you want to know where to take the bearish signal. One will take the bearish signal in a downtrend. Okay? So the 3 signal, talking about a single red, double red, triple red, you will use those type of signal in a downtrend. If there is no downtrend, you can't take it. Or at the end of an uptrend, okay, at the end of an uptrend, which means the price failed to display a new high, is signaling to us that there is a weakness of that bullish momentum. So we can start looking, okay, for an opportunity to sell. On the other hand, for the three bullish signal, single green, double green, triple green, you will use them in an uptrend. Okay, so you want to know whether you're in an uptrend or you are in a downtrend, and understand what is an uptrend, what is a downtrend, and okay, you can also use a bullish signal at the end of a downtrend. So the price failing to display a new lower low, we will put a question mark on that okay, bearish momentum, position ourselves with looking for okay, the first okay, bullish signal. Another thing that I say to traders using the trading system is the stable data of multiple time frame trading. We have 3 time frames that we use, talking about the TSTW24, the first best time frame, the second best time frame, and the third best time frame. Because all traders do not have the same trading levels, I have designed the TSTW24 to allow traders to start adopting okay, the mindset of professional traders. The first thing that we will do, you go to the third best time frame if you are day trading to draw the resistance, the support, the trend line, everything. You must do that. So you know the important levels, and then you switch to the first best time frame. There are conditions that we follow and rules that we follow for entry and exit. Okay? You understand now? Very simple, very simple. So suppose you receive a signal to sell, okay, or you receive a triple red signal to sell. What do you need to pay attention to? Okay? You receive a signal to sell, what do you need to pay attention to? You want to know that this is a resistance zone. Because if it's not a resistance zone and you receive a signal to sell, you will disregard the signal. We cannot delegate, okay, very important, we cannot delegate, okay, the job of, okay, technical analysis to a software or to a method. You are the trader, the most important trading tool. You will know straight away that this signal is in the wrong place. Suppose you receive a bullish signal in a downtrend. You want to disregard that. You know that you have to disregard it, okay? You receive a signal to buy at a resistance below, okay, a resistance level. It's the wrong place. At least you want the price, as you can see here, the price has retested, okay, this level. If we want to buy, the best place to buy is above. Break above it, retest it, and turn around. That would be a better place to buy. So using the signal and understanding, okay, where can I take the signal? When I want to buy, I want to make sure that I'm buying, okay, at the best place. Okay, support level, hot spot trading zone. Go to www.stochasticmarket.com, watch the video about the hot spot trading zones. Okay, whenever we see the price, we see here on the weekly chart. Okay, we see here why this level is an important price level. You can see the price went down, okay, and changed its direction. This is a hot spot trading zone. Here again, look, it went up to the same level and changed the direction and went down. This is a hot spot trading zone. So 2 hot spot trading zone in the same level. Look here, it came down to the same hot spot trading zone and changed the direction again. This level, you cannot discount it. Okay? Here again, you can see it did below it and then turn around again. Okay? So you want to, if you want to have an edge, you want to trade on the edge. Okay? You understand? If you want to have an edge, you have to trade on the edge. So you are looking for your signal at the hot spot trading zone. On the third best time frame, you locate your hot spot trading zone. Alright? Another simple strategy that I told traders for those who are day trading to pay attention to the hourly chart Bollinger Band. The Bollinger Band 50 volatility 2 on the hourly chart. You don't want to be taking a decision inside a band. You want to take a decision on the edge of the band. Okay? This is just something, okay, we can tell anybody. Alright, so talking about a trading system, okay, and a 6 signal, we are talking about a TSTW24. So there are rules for exit. So if the signal has failed, you will know that the signal has failed. We know. So you come out, cut it, okay. So you want to cut your losses gradually, okay. Cut them if the signal has failed and you know that the signal has failed, come out. wait for the next one, okay? But you must apply the multiple time frame, at least use the third best time frame and then move to the first best time frame, or at least the second best time frame. Draw your trend line, very important. You own a 5-minute chart, you own a 2-minute chart. I know some of you who are trading the S&P 500, some of you, I know you play on a 3-minute chart all the time or 2-minute chart all the time. Draw your trend line, pay attention to the key levels on the third best time frame. Another thing, talking about the trading system, you need to practice, okay? You're going to practice until you master it. So you have the tool, it's a valid tool. Now you want to understand the tool, and then you get on practicing. Have a demo account, okay, or whatever you want to do, and practice. Use the 5% money management rules. Use your stop loss, okay? Do not get into too much leverage, okay? Because if you are learning, you want to give yourself a time to test many things. There is a room to test, so you test, building your ability to trade, especially your mindset to trade, okay? All right, but the trading system is a guide, okay? It's giving you the power, okay, to avoid repeating mistakes, okay? But as an individual, you are affected by a loss, so you lose, you affect you get, oh, I lose money, okay? But then you have to know how to handle that. So you are building your habit. Those who remain long in the market, those who persevere, okay, will succeed, okay? So this is just a quick video talking about, okay, a trading system, the TSCW24, and the 6 signal, a specific 6 signal is valid on every time frame to the monthly chart, weekly chart. It's a universal trading system. You can use it every time frame for day trading and for swing trading. Many day traders love the TSCW24. Okay, when you are building a trading system, you need to be very careful, because we like to build a trading system that is valid for day trading and swing trading, but there is a percentage that the system will, you will have a percentage. You may say the TSCW24 is 70% for day trading, okay, or 30% for swing trading. But one can use it for day trading and for swing trading, okay. So you need to understand, okay, when you are using the trading system, what you need to do. So you purchase the TSCW24, you need to watch all the video at www.best-strategy.com. You must watch it, okay? You must watch the video, okay? On your website, very important. And then you learn to master the tool and practice. Very often, some trader will give up at the beginning because either they fail to apply the 5% money management rules, or they are not drawing the trend line, or they are not using the third best time frame and use the multiple time frame trading, or they are just they are all over the places and they can't stick to one system. So they are looking for many systems every day. They are busy looking for different trading systems. Do not get into that mode. You need to work on it, okay, and get it right, okay? Get it right. There's no need to rush. As I said to you before, you don't want to start running straight away. You want to start walking. You are walking, okay, building, okay, your momentum. You see the price will consolidate first, and then they break out, pull back, and the third area wave, always. But before the price will start running fast, the price will always slow down, going up and down, up and down, up and down. But the same thing you will apply. So during your consolidation period, which means you are learning, going up and down, up and down. 1 minute you make money, another minute you are up and down, up and down. You are building your momentum. So the day you have your breakout is the day that you understand that you are trading in fact the price. So you do not need any more indicator. And then you start simplifying everything. That's what usually happens. Professionals always simplify things, okay? And new traders will put too much information. You want to simplify things, okay? Then you start looking at the price. So your eye is constantly on the price, okay? So now you see it become clear now what the euro is doing. It dip below one level, it retests it. We just watch it. It's now a hotspot on the zone. As I explained to you, we just watch it now, and we take it from there. If you climb back above it, if you want to be truly bullish, you must find a support above it. If it's stuck below this gray line, okay, we will give more priority to sell signal, okay. So this is just a quick video regarding, okay, a trading system and a 6 signal, okay. I hope, okay, you enjoyed this video also, okay, that it will allow you, okay, to make a better trading decision, okay, and in order to cream the market consistently. Thank you for watching, and we will speak to you very soon. We are the TSTW24 traders. This is about a trading system and a 6 signal. Thank you.